Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Excuse my voice, I'm homesick and I am making these envelopes. In my previous video I showed you that I was killing this paper pad by Teresa Collins called Stationery Noted, and I had 16 pages left and I just folded them up to make goodie bags, and I cut out the little ephemera pieces like that to decorate. So they had two ephemera sheets and I just cut those up to use them on the bags. And I already showed you the previous 4 that I made in the other video. So I'm just building up my stash. So these are the next 4 that I made. And again, I used punches and just some bling. So this one says love, and that one wrapped around. I'm homesick, so this is what I'm doing. And I use the Creative Memory scallop punch at the top. Again, very simple, just using up all the paper in the paper pad. Not adding a whole bunch of other stuff, not doing too much. Like I said, I'm not feeling too well, so I just use punches. I didn't feel like die cutting anything. So very simple, but just different and unique designs so that I will have something on stash already decorated that I can stuff with some goodies if I'm sending out some mail. And I wanted every one of them to be totally different than the other one. So that's my second set of 4. And I will be back with the next set of 4 once I get those done. All right, thanks. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing and commenting. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.